Greece, Moussaka. Welcome to VEEDiscover. Today we're savoring the rich layers of Greece's beloved moussaka. Ingredients. Prepare 2 large eggplants sliced into rounds, 500 grams ground lamb or beef, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, olive oil, cinnamon, and allspice. For the bechamel sauce, butter, flour, milk, and grated nutmeg. Step 1. Preparing eggplant. Salt the eggplant slices and set aside to draw out bitterness. Rinse and pat dry before frying until golden. Step 2. Making the meat sauce. Cook the onion until translucent. Add the meat, browning it with cinnamon and allspice. Stir in the tomatoes and simmer. Step 3. Bechamel sauce. In a saucepan, melt butter, whisk and flour, then slowly add milk until thickened. Season with nutmeg. Step 4. Assembling moussaka. In a baking dish, layer eggplant, meat sauce, and bechamel. Repeat the layers, finishing with a thick layer of bechamel. Step 5. Baking. Bake your moussaka at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, until the top is bubbly and browned. Step 6. Serve. Allow the moussaka to set before slicing. Serve this comforting dish with a side of Greek salad. Moussaka brings the flavors of the Mediterranean to your plate. Enjoy this Greek culinary masterpiece at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more recipes.